Hello everyone, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can copy your tracking number on 1688. Now, what is tracking number? Tracking number is a kind of number generated by your supplier. So when you buy a product from a particular supplier and the supplier ship out the goods, so they are going to generate a tracking number for that particular goods. So that tracking number is the number you are going to send to your logistic company that will help you to ship the goods down to your destination country. So how do you get that tracking number? Because it's very much important, because you will still need to send that same tracking number to your logistic company. So how do we get the tracking number is what I'm going to show you right away. So in this video, I'm going to make use of 1688 app. So just follow me and see the step I'm taking to generate a tracking, to copy the tracking number generated by my supplier in China. So let's get started. So I'm going to click on my 1688 app. All right, so when 1688 app is fully loaded, so now you need to come down below here from the right corner. You see the mail icon, human icon here. Click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to load to your profile page on 1688 like this. Now, when you have a goods on transit, the goods is going to be indicated from the bus icon. So you can see it from the screen right here. So I'm going to click on the bus icon now, which means that I have a goods on transit. So it takes me to this page here. So the next thing to do is to click on the goods link. So it takes me here, right? So now the next step to take is to click on this bus icon. Now it takes me to this page. Now from this point here, this is where we copy the tracking number. So now let me show you the movement of the goods. All right, so this is the package. So 25 piece of 25 piece of bag. Now the goods has been packed from this place and sent out from this place on the April 4th of April. The goods has been sent out. So now the goods has been sent out by the supplier from this point to this particular place, this logistics company YTO. Now, for me to be very sure that the goods has been sent by my supplier to my logistic company, so I need to copy this tracking number. So this tracking number you will copy here is the one you will now send to your logistic company to confirm the recipient of the goods on your behalf. So when they confirm the recipient of the goods on your behalf, so your logistic company in China, they will now be the one that will ship your goods down to your desired country, whether in Nigeria or in Ghana. So now the tracking number we need here is the one that started with YT5363602924. That is the tracking number for this goods. So the goods was sent on 8:30 a.m. 4th of April 2021. So now to copy this tracking number, the one that started with YT, you just have to come here. You see, just click on this this place. This simply means that you have successfully copied this tracking number. So this tracking number, you will now send it to your logistic company to confirm the recipient of the goods. So once they confirm the recipient of the goods, they will give you an invoice that the goods has been received on your behalf from your supplier in China. So any moment from then, you will be expecting your goods landed into your country, whether in Nigeria or in Ghana or in Kenya. So this is how you copy your tracking number from your 1688 app. So, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this practical video. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to know if your goods has been successfully received by your logistic company in China. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.